Tiara here with Gypsyfae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in. I am back and I am doing soap number 2 for the July shop update. This one is called Sweet Dreams. And I'm just going to get started here by adding my lye solution to my oils. Going to stick blend them until it is all incorporated. And we'll split this off into 2 different shades of purple. So let's give that a whiz. So I've split that off into 2 different bowls, and I'm going to add just a tiny bit of this deep sea purple. This is a Soapbox Mica's purple, and then I'm going to add some of Brambleberry's Orchid Mica into this one. And then I'm going to add a little bit of titanium dioxide because I want this soap to be very light and pastel and just very dreamy looking. So give them a mix. So the fragrance I picked out for this is a custom blend, and there's a lot going on in this. There is some morning dew, bluebells, violet, jasmine, lily of the valley, lemon, bergamot, cucumber water, cashmere, and musk. And this is the scent that I originally wanted to be in my FAERIE night soap, and then the essence of nightshade is what I wanted to go in this one. But this is not going to discolor this soap. As you can see, I really wanted this to stay very light. Let's see how it all behaves with all the delectable notes that I mixed together to get this. I've got maybe a little bit of ricing. See if we can just stir that out. So once I get this mixed in, what I'll do is I'm going to pour this back into my big bucket and do a in the pot swirl and start pouring that into my molds. And then I have these column molds made out of melt pour that are in the shape of clouds, and those will go on the inside. Well, I really wanted the top of this to look like clouds, and I think I did a good job. So I've got all kinds of glitter going on this. This one is just like a fine iridescent glitter. I think it's like a snowflake glitter from Nurture. And then I'm going to put some stars on. Hey, There we go, that's where you go. I'm dropping all kinds of things in my soap today. All kinds of glitter on this. Gonna put some stars on it. And that will be the design for the top. So originally for this soap, I wanted to try a different type of piping and just kind of sculpt it a little and try and get a cloud shape. But then I chickened out. And I'm glad I did, because then I came up with this little texturized look with the chopstick, and I think I like it a whole lot better. Okay, so some of these stars are melt and pour, some of these are cold process, and I've already got it all switched up. So now that I have to stick with that in order for it to aesthetically look good before I cut it, right? Go me. Look, here's a melt and pour, you don't go there. I'm confusing myself. Okay, Tiara, it's the little things that you, geez, Liz, you've messed it up already. I just, it's gonna kill me. It's gotta go over here. Alright, and then I have some blue eco glitter that is from Brambleberry, some fine iridescent from Brambleberry, and then there's like this hollow, biodegradable hollow glitter that I'm going to put on there as well. And we're just going to glitter this all up. I'll give it a spray with a rubbing alcohol beforehand, and then I'll let it sit for 24 hours before I come back and cut it. Oh, I'm so excited about this soap. I've never tried like this texturizing top thing to get clouds, and I think it's going to turn out perfect. Sweet. So I am halfway through my pregnancy right now, and by the time you see this, you've probably already seen the gender reveal that will come out before this video. But halfway through, and things are just getting crazy around here. With summer beginning, I think a lot of the restrictions are being lifted right now, and houses, we're looking at houses. We really need to find a house so that we can get settled before the baby gets here. I'll find out my gender, I know what my gender is. I'll find out what baby's gender is next week in my mid-pregnancy ultrasound. I'm so excited to see it. I want to see the little bean. And then I can start my registry, and I'm ready. I've started it, but like I need to add some last final touches to it, and ready to go. We got our names picked out. Well, I've got our names picked out. I'm the kind of person who has that list on their phone for years and years of all the names that they like. Ever since I was a little girl, I've had my baby names picked out. Probably doesn't get too much of a say. If it's a boy, he'll get the middle names, but I am not telling you guys, so don't ask. Some of my friends and family already know, because if they know, that's great. If you have to ask, I'm not telling. What else is going on? Oh gosh, I think life is just so busy right now, and I'm thankful for that, because it is keeping me busy. I'm trying to also make more soap, get the shop really stocked, because I know I'm selling out of things very quickly, and there's not much in there right now. But I have all this time on my hands still, and I want to restock a lot of the soaps that I've made prior. You guys are going to see, wrong side, can't talk and work here. Can't multifunction. You guys are going to see Butterbeer in there, House Loyalty will be in there. I've got, what else? I made a whole bunch, I promise. Oh, Baltimore soap is in there. And there's like another one. Anyway, there's going to be some more soaps in the shop this July release, so I had to stop talking, you guys. I can't pay attention. I am blaming pregnancy brain, and I finally figured out how to place these. Alright, we'll get all that glitter on top of here, and we'll let it sit for 24 hours. We'll put it to sleep. I'm so ready to see the inside of this soap. I think I'm gonna love it. Let's see. And then of course, the melt and pour column in here is not going to be as easy to cut as that last Firefly soap, but woo, we'll just be really careful. Okay, I like it. Look at that little cloud in there. All those pretty soft swirls. The stars on top. I think it turned out as I imagined. Love that cloud mold in there, that column embed. I found that on Amazon. I'll leave a link for it down below. I didn't think such a thing existed. And it's perfect for this design. And there's a close call between this soap and the Firefly soap. I cannot pick a favorite. I really like them both. It smells really good too. But since one is a no-top soap and one is a frosted soap, I think this is my favorite frosted soap for this collection. And the other Firefly soap is my favorite no-top soap of the collection. Alright, you guys are probably like, where is the glow-in-the-dark at? Because you said it was going to glow-in-the-dark tiara. And just like that Firefly soap, I acquired a mold that was too big. And so I had to change up my design once again. And the embed is going to go in the front. So, let me show you what they are. So this is what is glowing in the dark. I have these little crescent moons. And they're going to sit right on the front like that. Oh, I love it. That's so cool. Yay! And the other soap that I neglected to remember I'm restocking when I was going off on all the different soaps I'll have in the shop for this July release was the 9 3/4 soaps, or the Wizards Express is what I call it. That will also be in the shop for this release because it was just so popular and sold out so fast that I do want to make a couple more batches of it so that, you know, everyone has a chance that wants one to grab one. So mark your calendars, because I'm sure they'll sell out fast again. Thank you guys so much for watching. These will be available on the July 24th shop update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, and I think you should think about it, any questions or comments, you can leave them for me in the comment section down below. And until next time, I hope you guys have a very nice day. I will smell you later.